The hormone marketed as pure love is secretly manufacturing prejudice against outsiders. Behave by Robert M. Sapolsky. Audiobook summary and review by StoryShots. You did not choose your last bad decision. Not really. Your brain made it for you, shaped by hormones from that morning and a childhood you never picked. That is the unsettling thesis of Behave, the Biology of Humans at Our Best and Worst, by Robert M. Sapolsky, a neuroscientist and primatologist who spent decades tracing behavior back to its biological roots. Testosterone does not cause violence. Everyone assumes testosterone turns men into aggressive brutes. Spike it, and you expect fists. That is not what the research shows. Testosterone amplifies whatever it takes to gain or protect status. Sometimes that means violence. Sometimes it means generosity, if generosity is what earns respect in that setting. In prison studies, the most aggressive inmates had higher testosterone, but the causation ran backward. Being aggressive raised their testosterone, not the reverse. You have probably blamed a hot-headed coworker's hormones for his outbursts. The real problem is not his biology. It is a culture that keeps rewarding that outburst with status. Testosterone does not create aggression. It funds whatever behavior wins the room. Status-seeking chemistry only explains half the puzzle. The brain also decides, in a flash, who counts as part of your group. Your brain sorts strangers before you notice. A stranger walks into the room. Before a single conscious thought forms, your brain has already filed them as us or them. This happens in under 100 milliseconds, faster than blinking. This is ancient wiring, present in young children and other primates, built to categorize by any marker available. Skin color, accent, sports jersey. Nothing is off limits. Kindergarten teachers create us versus them thinking just by saying, "Good morning, boys and girls." Every snap judgment you have made about someone in the first 3 seconds of meeting them was not really a judgment. It was your amygdala finishing its job before your prefrontal cortex woke up. Knowing the categorizing happens does not explain the strangest part of what happens once someone becomes one of us. The bonding hormone is also the hatred hormone. Oxytocin gets marketed as the cuddle chemical, the thing released during hugs and childbirth. Research reveals something far darker sitting inside that same molecule. Oxytocin increases trust and generosity, but only toward your own group. Toward outsiders, it does the opposite. It increases suspicion, preemptive aggression, and dehumanization. The same chemical bath that makes you tender with your family can be making you crueler to a stranger, at the exact same moment, in the exact same body. Oxytocin is not the love hormone. It is the tribalism hormone wearing love's name tag. Every institution built on appeals to unity, nationalism, religion, team spirit may be running on this exact same fuel. If this changed how you see hormones or human cruelty, someone in your life would probably find it fascinating too. Pass this summary along. Final summary. This summary of Behave threads together testosterone's true role in status seeking, the split-second brain circuitry that sorts people into tribes, and oxytocin's double life as bonding hormone and hatred hormone into one argument. Nearly everything you call a personal choice was shaped by biology you never controlled. The full book goes further into why childhood adversity predicts adult violence more reliably than any gene, why the teenage brain is built for both revolution and recklessness, and what Sapolsky's research on free will means for how courts should punish criminals. There is also his stranger claim that the best crime-fighting tool is not policy, but simply turning 30. Anyone who has judged someone else's worst moment should hear how that argument gets made. We're putting together the full summary of Behave right now, with an infographic and animated video. Follow the book in the StoryShots app to get it the moment it's ready.